We've got a beautiful 1968 Pontiac Firebird convertible, complete body off frame nut and bolt restoration, 400 with a 4-speed. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, beautiful car. It has the 400 hood, the dual scoops with the emblems, and this is slick. This all fits just right, smooth, shiny. This is top quality right here. Same thing with down the side. I can see that center body line crease as straight as an arrow. I don't see a ripple. All this is fantastic. All the way to the very bottom here. Smooth as can be. All straight. There's a little tiny little chip down at the very corner. Ooh, I didn't have to do it that hard. There we go. The quarter panels, all the lines, absolutely straight, fits beautifully. It didn't look this good when it was new in 1968, I can tell you that. This is absolutely straight. I don't know if you can see the reflection of my hand. It's like a mirror. Even underneath is clean. It didn't get dirty. All around the molding, it fits real nice and snug. All this is clean. Here's a little chip on the edge of the door there as well. Jambs are painted slick. Shuts real nicely. Repainted its original Verdoro Green. It's a very popular Pontiac color at the time. Here's a little nick that's been touched up, barely noticeable. The metal flake is all laid out evenly, and the clear coat is polished like glass. It's a beautiful fit and finish. Looks like show quality chrome on the bumper. It's just really that shiny and straight. They've restored this car to factory specs. It even has reproduction T3 headlamps, all the lenses, the grills, all in really nice shape. New emblems. Now it has reproduction wide oval tires and Cragars. Well, Cragars aren't from the factory, but that's what would have been cool back in the day. They are new. They're 14 by 6, I believe, in front, 14 by 7 in back, and they're just sparkling. And I love that it has the vintage Cragars with reproduction tires, not modern, BF Goodrich. It just gives it a cool look. Correct antenna looks new. The windshield looks new. The stainless trim looks to be very nice. Not brand new, but very nice. The fuzzy strips are new. The handles, this chrome, all looks really good. It's a replaced black convertible power top. There's good pictures of that on our website. The 400 and the emblems are all beautiful. Back bumper's real nice and shiny. All the emblems and all that looks slick. And again, the fit and finish is outstanding. So why don't we open it up, show you that deluxe interior and that 400 motor. You're going to like what you see in the trunk here. It's immaculate, first of all. Look at the bottom side of the trunk, painted so neatly. There's the sticker. The jam is just as nice with the new weather strip. So all clean metal, neatly spatter painted. It has what they call the shaker cans. They're counterbalance weights in the convertibles. It has the space saver spare with the restored rim and jack, and even has the air bottle. You'll never use that, but it's pretty cool that it's there. Has the trunk mat. And look at this, a box full of trophies, recent trophies as well. It comes with the Pontiac. Oh, these are Pontiac lug nuts. I don't know if they work with the Cragars or not. But yeah, you can see they've been showing it and enjoying the car. You'll be able to do the same. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Yeah, the jams are painted real slick. Weather strips are replaced. Sill plates are new. So it's a deluxe interior that has the molded door panels with the molded in armrests. They look like they've been replaced. They're in excellent shape. Window cranks are new. Emblems are new. The dash pads reupholstered. All this trim is sparkling. All real nice. Looks like a new speedometer. 160 mile an hour speedometer. This is all nice. A lot of this is new. The heater control panel's new. Has an AM/FM radio that works. Funny, the clock. I found a receipt. They paid $499 for the clock and sent it out to a shop and had the clock rebuilt, and it's not working. All this is real nice. inside the glove box. Got some reproduction literature, manuals, and that. New glove box liner. Interior lights work. Kick panels are real nice. Carpets are replaced. Has sound deadener underneath it. Reproduction floor mats. Real nice 4-speed console. You can see it has the burl wood trim that matches. It's a new Hurst 4-speed shifter. It's in very nice shape. The deluxe interior has this comfort weave upholstery, all rebuilt, new cushions too. There's a stack of receipts, and a lot of it came from Ames Performance, the Pontiac guys. The stack of receipts, they'll go with the car. Seat backs are new. Correct reproduction seat belts. It was like $700 for all the GM seat belts. You got the floor mats in back, all reupholstered side panels. Has a convertible top boot that actually fits. Visors look to be original. The stitchings come out a little bit there. Does have a Pontiac vanity mirror, original rear view mirror. This is a $600 or $700 reproduction steering wheel that's on here. So really nice interior. I say it comes with receipts. The shop that did a bulk of the work, the body shop, they had a $30,000 invoice in there, and that's just labor at their shop. Now, this 400 motor was rebuilt at a different shop. It was bored 30 over. It was balanced. There was a complete receipt and breakdown for that. And it all looks stock. Looks like it has all stock manifolds and heads. Even the carburetor, it's a 4-barrel. The 400 comes with the chrome valve covers and air cleaner assembly. The distributor hiding back there looks new. Just look how clean the firewall is. The little gutter here for the wires, the squirters, everything's smooth, clean metal. Even has the rubber dust shields, spring clamp battery cables. Everything up here is all smooth, clean metal. It's not layers of flaky paint. Upgraded with a heavy-duty 4-core radiator. Has a flex fan, it looks like. The pulleys and brackets and alternator all look real nice. Power steering. Yeah, getting back to the air cleaner, even the snorkel tube. That stuff's always missing. But we got power steering, power brakes, new wiper motor. Very detailed, very complete in here. Even under the hood is painted a nice smooth satin black. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs. And it does. This one flew through our shop pretty quickly. They say it's a really good car. And we'll see in a few minutes.
Everybody, I'm a big fan of these little Firebirds with the big 400s in them, and this one's totally sweet. Body off frame restoration, started right up. It's been sitting in our showroom for like 2 days. I didn't even pump the gas, just a tap of the key and it literally fired right up. So my first impression is this thing is super dialed in, really nice running. I did have a chance to loop it around the block, and it's consistent with what I first thought, and also consistent with what the shop thought when they took it for their inspection. Our total service and detail bill on this thing was only $1,600. We did a few minor things, like we repaired the carburetor on this car and changed the speedo gear, and some other very minor thing, but that was it. Really nice running vehicle. Smooth suspension too. Check out the pictures of the undercarriage on this one. See what she's got. And just like that, up to 60 miles an hour without an issue. It never fails. Really, really nice running 400 here. Great cruiser, open air experience. Somebody's going to wind up with a fantastic vehicle. See how it goes down the road. I mean, look at this thing. Point on as far as the alignment goes. Fantastic experience all the way around. Power steering, power disc brakes. They don't get any better than this. Come test drive it for yourself and see how great of a car it is. We welcome you. Other than that, check out the details on our website, volocars.com.
So underneath this car is practically brand new as well, with body off the frame, even though it's just a subframe, but everything was removed. The floors are pristine metal, painted a nice satin black, just like the engine compartment. All the steering and suspension completely rebuilt. It is upgraded with some gas shocks at all four corners. I think they're KYB shocks, heavy-duty springs. Even the rear leaf springs were replaced. Really nice pipes, all stainless steel custom exhaust system. It comes with the X pipe. It has the transverse sideways muffler, a Race Pro muffler. And then it has the Pontiac splitter tips. I don't know if you've noticed those just hanging down there. I really think those are cool. Brakes all redone. Their disc in front, that's all new. The e-brakes hooked up. The lines were replaced. Fuel system all replaced. The tank, the lines, the sending unit. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless. Starter looks new. Flywheel cover, everything's there. Everything's clean and proper. It's a 4-speed. It's an M20 Muncie 4-speed that was taken apart, serviced, resealed. Drive shaft was redone. 10-bolt rear end in the back. So just a really, really nice Pontiac convertible here with a 400 in it and a 4-speed. Really get some enjoyment out of it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Firebird delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.